Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome back to science class of grade 6. Today we shall start a new chapter, that is chapter number 2 from your textbook, Sources of Food. So in this unit we shall be learning about importance of food, sources of food, that is plants and animals, classification of animals based on food, herbivores, carnivores, omnivores and scavengers, and food chain. So this is a flow chart of all the topics to be covered in this unit. So you can refer page 11 from your textbook, Sources of Food. Importance of food. Can living beings survive without food? No. All living beings need food to survive. And why all living beings need food to survive? Because food contains substances that are essential for the growth and development of the body. And do you know what these substances are called? They are called nutrients. So, nutrients are the substances present in food that are needed for growth and development of the body. The main uses of food are: food gives us energy, it has materials needed for growth, it keeps the body healthy and helps it to fight against diseases, it helps the body to repair and replace worn out tissues. You know, food habit differs from place to place and from season to season. Like rice is common in south and chapatis in north. Similarly, mangoes in summer, strawberries in winter. And there are some foods that can be eaten raw. For example, fruits and some vegetables. And some food can be eaten by mixing individual food items, which we call ingredients. So the different items that make up a food are called its ingredients. Do you know what are the ingredients for making biryani? There is rice, water, salt, spices, meat or vegetables, and oil. So these are called ingredients. Sources of food. Food can be obtained from both plants and animals. Let us first look at food obtained from plants. So from plants we get cereals, pulses, fruits and vegetables, nuts, spices, herbs, beverages and oil. Cereals and pulses. Cereals are seeds obtained from grasses. For example, rice, wheat, oat, etc. And pulses are seeds from leguminous plants. Leguminous plants means in which seeds are covered inside pods. A leaf-like structure, if you open it, you will find seeds inside that. For example, green gram or moong, black gram, lentils, nothing but dal, kidney beans, that is rajma, etc. Next is fruits and vegetables. So fruits are formed from the flower of different plants. Example, apple, orange, mango, etc. And vegetables can be obtained from different parts of a plant, such as root vegetables. For example, carrots, radish, potatoes. In leaf vegetables, we have cabbage, spinach, lettuce. In stem vegetable, we have bamboo shoots, asparagus. In fruit vegetables, we have tomatoes, pumpkin, brinjal. In flower vegetables, we have cauliflower, broccoli. Other foods that we get from food includes nuts such as groundnut, cashew nuts, peanuts, etc. And in spices, we have cardamom, clove, cinnamon, etc. Also, there are herbs such as coriander, mint, etc. Beverages such as coffee, tea, etc. And oils such as sunflower oils, mustard oil, coconut oil are the foods we get from plants. So let us now find out what are the various foods that are obtained from animals. So food from animals. From animals we get meat. So we get meat from goats, cattle, poultry, sheep and fish. Next we have eggs. We get eggs from hens and other birds. Third one is milk and its products. We get milk from cows, goats, buffaloes and other such animals. So we can also make butter, curd, cheese, cream from milk, and these milk products are called dairy products. Next is honey. Honey is made by bees. So honey bees collect the nectar from flowers and store it in their hives and convert the nectar into honey. So the food which we eat daily makes up our diet, which usually contains meat, eggs, bread, chapati and other such items. So now let us watch a video and try to understand the topics in detail.
We all eat food every day, right? Some foods we eat are raw, some are cooked, and some are a mixture of various ingredients. Have you ever thought about where all these foods come from? Come, let us find out. Before we find out where the foods come from, let us briefly understand the importance of food. We can define food as any substance that is used as a source of nourishment by an organism. Food is required to survive and be healthy, obtain energy, build tissue to grow and develop. Now, sometimes when we fall down while playing and get hurt, the skin that is bruised grows back in a few days. Have you ever wondered how this happens? This is because of the nourishment obtained from the food we eat. Food is therefore important as it enables the body to repair and replace worn out tissues. It also keeps the body healthy and helps it fight against diseases. Nutrients can be defined as chemical substances present in food that provide nourishment, which is essential for growth and maintenance of our body. Let us now move on to the main topic, which is sources of food. A large variety of food is available in different forms. This is due to the fact that food habits differ according to a place a person lives in and the different seasons that we experience throughout the year. For example, mangoes are available in summer and strawberries are available in winter. This is with respect to the different seasons. Now, with respect to place, chapatis, as we have seen, are famous in North India, while rice is famous in the south. Food items can be eaten raw or prepared by mixing individual food items. Can you name a few food items that can be eaten raw? Yes. Fruits and vegetables can be eaten raw, whereas food items such as idli, dosa, dhokla and cakes are prepared by mixing food items. Ingredients are the different food items that make up a delicious dish. If you have ever tried making a dish, or if you ask your mother that if she has tried to make a new dish, she might tell you that when she goes through the recipe, there are a list of ingredients that are mentioned to make up a dish. Do you know the ingredients present in cooked rice? It is rice and water. On the other hand, what are the ingredients for making biryani? There is rice, water, salt, spices, vegetables, meat, and oil. Food can be obtained from both plants and animals. Let us first look at foods obtained from. Food can be obtained from both plants and animals. Let us first look at foods obtained from plants. Cereals are seeds mostly obtained from grasses such as barley, wheat, maize, millet, oats, rice, and rye. As we saw earlier, rice is popular in the southern and eastern parts of India, while wheat is popular in the northern and western parts of India. Wheat is ground into flour to make bread, macaroni, and noodles. Don't we all love macaroni and noodles? The next type of foods obtained from plants are fruits and vegetables. Fruits are formed from the flowers of different plants. For example, banana, apple, orange, plum, etc. Vegetables can be obtained from different parts of a plant, such as root vegetables. For example, potato, carrots, radish. There is leaf vegetables, which are spinach and lettuce. The third one is fruit vegetables, where there is pumpkin, okra, tomatoes. Did you know tomatoes were fruit vegetables? We all thought it was just a vegetable. However, tomato is also known as a fruit vegetable. Inflorescence vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower. They are called inflorescence vegetables because they are a part of the flower of that plant. Next, we have stem vegetables. These are bamboo shoots, asparagus, etc. Other foods that we get from plants include nuts such as groundnuts, cashew nuts, peanuts. There are herbs such as coriander, mint, celery, and parsley. Oils such as sesame oil, sunflower oil, mustard oil, which are obtained from the seeds of sesame, sunflower, and mustard plants. Beverages such as coffee, cocoa, and tea are obtained from coffee beans, cocoa beans, and tea leaves. Spices such as cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon are also obtained from plants. These are the ones which give flavor to our food. Let us now find out what are the various foods that are obtained from animals. First, we have meat. Meat refers to the muscles and other parts of an animal's body that we eat. We may get meat from fish, poultry, cattle, and sheep. Next, we have eggs. These are obtained from hens, ducks, and fish. Third one is milk and its produce. These are obtained from cows, goats, camels, and other such animals. Some milk products are butter, buttermilk, cheese, cream, and curd, which is also known as yogurt. Honey is produced by bees. Honeybees convert the nectar that they collect from flowers into honey. They store this honey in their hives.
So let us recall what we have studied in today's session. Points to remember. Nutrients are the substances present in food that are needed for the growth and maintenance of the body. Uses of food. Food gives us energy. Food keeps our body healthy and helps it to fight against diseases. Food has materials needed for growth. Food enables the body to repair and replace worn out tissues. The different items that make up a food are called its ingredients. Food from plants are cereals and pulses, fruits and vegetables, and other foods. Food from animals are meat, eggs, milk, honey. The food we eat every day makes up our diet. So that's it for today. Hope you have understood and enjoyed this session. If you have any questions, then please write it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next session. Have a nice day.